So a couple of weeks ago, I was going through my closet, getting rid of some stuff, and I came across this skirt, and I was looking. I was like, do I really want to get rid of the skirt? I've been had the skirt for like 5 years, but I haven't wore it in the last maybe 2 years. So I was like, I probably can get rid of it. But when I looked at it, I was like, I might can do something with this. So I put it to the side and came back to it. So I was looking on Pinterest and I seen a lot of sheer skirts and different sheer skirts, and I'm like, I can just turn this into a sheer skirt. It was so easy. I didn't have to sew anything. The only thing I had to do is cut the lining out of the skirt. I really didn't like how the skirt fit because being old, the elastic kind of wore out a little bit and it wasn't as tight as I would like it. So that's why I was gonna donate it, but I decided to keep it and just cut the lining out of the skirt and made it into a mesh see-through type of deal. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I would style the skirt after I upcycle. This is one way that I would upcycle the skirt, by putting on a graphic tee. I love graphic tees. Some people say that graphic tee not for older people, even though I ain't that old, y'all. And it's not stylish. Throw away your graphic tee. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, I'm not throwing away my graphic tees. I love a graphic tee. But what you can do to make it a little more grownish is just watch what graphic tee you get. So this one I actually got from Marshall, and I paid $12 for it, and it's a Von Dutch. No, yes, it's a Von Dutch t-shirt, and I think it's cute because black is my favorite color. I'm sorry, but black is my favorite color. I got a lot of inspiration on Pinterest where they wear the graphic tee like a dress, but this one was a tad bit small for me personally to wear it as a dress. It was a little too short, so I just put on like some little biking shorts. You can put on biking shorts or whatever under, and that's what I did. Paired it with a belt, and since it had silver details, I added a silver purse and some silver pumps. Added on all the silver accessories, just chunk it up, just add all the silver accessories that you can, and you got you a nice little outfit. And I think it turned out so cute. This is another way that I would style this sheer skirt, by just throwing on oversized blazer. And I got a black blazer, but mine is a little more fitted, so y'all, I got this one out my husband's closet. So it is oversized, but I would have preferred it to be a little more bigger, but hey, I had to work with what I had. And paired it with a belt, some black pumps, and then you add on, I added gold accessories to this one. Add on a statement necklace, and then I add on my leopard purse because I love leopard too, black and leopard. Look how simple that was. A blazer and a sheer skirt, and add you a belt. You can't go wrong with it. But yes, I think both outfits turned out so cute. I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all, before you throw away your clothes, do like a second look. But what I do, I take everything out that I know I haven't worn and I don't plan on wearing, and it's kind of not my style anymore, and I add it in the pile. Then I go through the pile again and say, what can I do with it? What can I do with this? Can I upcycle it? Can I use it for fabric? Can I use it on another project before I just actually donate it? But anywho, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. Leave in the comment which outfit would you actually wear, or which outfit is your favorite. I'll see you guys when I see y'all, but y'all will see me on the next video. Peace.